All right, guys, it's T-Man, and I'm back with a brand new video. I'm going to do a video on this doctor. His name is Dr. Mikolaj Rajek. another actor, another acting human. Thinks he fucking knows something. But anyways, I'm going to do a reaction video to this. All right. So I think I don't know what his channel is here. Hold on a second. His channel is called Miro Genomics. Miro Genomics. So Miro Genomics says cancer types post mRNA vaccines. Man, I don't know what this slave is trying to say here, but anyways, let's hear what he has to say. Okay, I'm gonna react to this.
Today we're going to review a paper published not long ago that documented an unusual case of cancer.
Yes, a paper posted by other humans that don't know anything. When you ask a human, ask any human that you meet along the way in your life, and ask them to tell you what they know. Ask them, what do you know? Tell me what you know. And I'm not talking about regurgitating stuff that they read in a book or something someone told them something or anything. I'm actually asking a question. Hey, human, tell me what you know. And guess what? The answer is they don't know anything. Get it, dude? It's just fabricated. It's all made up, and then they pass it down the line.
Cancer immediately after vaccination.
Listen to this guy. Cancer types post. I don't want to even say it because it'll come up. Post-vax, C19. This is ridiculous. You want to know what's causing it? Plants, dude. The injection is made from plants. Plants cause cancer. You'd have to be stupid not to understand that. That's what they do. They're toxic, so they cause cancer in your body and other metabolic disturbances and diseases.
COVID-19 vaccination. And the reason why I wanted to focus on this particular topic is because of
why do you want to deal with this topic? Because you have nothing fucking better to talk about, or what? You don't understand how to cure cancer? What's the cure for cancer? It's really simple. Stop eating plants. Get it? Stop injecting plants and stop eating them, and it'll go away.
There's review of all literature documenting cancer development after vaccination, after mRNA vaccination.
Yeah, listen to what he says. You're going to get cancer after mRNA vaccination, the C19 vax. Okay. What's causing it? What's causing it? The plants. Plants cause cancer, dude. It's really simple. Stop injecting, stop eating them, and no cancer. Gone. Bye-bye.
And specifically also...
You know, it's not hard to figure out how to make all these diseases go away. Just stop eating plants. They are the cause of every disease. That's it. End of story. See how easy that was?
What might be the reasons as to why this is actually...
And guess what? He doesn't have a job anymore. He's out of a job. Doctor does not exist anymore. Maybe if you broke a bone or something, you might need a doctor. You need assistance. You don't even need a doctor for that, even if you broke a bone. If your friend is there, you can set the bone yourself, and you put 2 pieces of wood, a splinter, and then you just tie it up. So, I mean, even then, people in the past, how did they deal with broken bones? I don't know. I don't know about these surgeries. You may need surgeries for something. Why do you need these surgeries for? I don't know. If you had a car crash... You had a car accident, I don't know, maybe a thing went through your head. Maybe you're going to need these doctors, but definitely not the administration of all these stupid plant drugs.
Even being observed. So I thought this was super interesting. And it also supports the theory that I, in conjunction with other scientists, proposed recently.
Other acting scientists. You're a human, bro. You are not a scientist. You're just a human. You don't know anything. Tell me what you know. You don't know anything, because if you knew something, you wouldn't be on this planet. You'd be somewhere else. See what I mean? You'd be somewhere else. You wouldn't be here if you actually knew something. He doesn't know anything.
And published how mRNA vaccines...
Yes, it was published. Some people did a test. It was based on some experience. So that's all he could do, is talk about some observation that somebody else did. Me, when I talk on my channel, I talk from my experience. people ask me to prove what I said. Well, I use science to prove what I say, but it's based on my experience. I wouldn't be able to find the answers if I didn't have any experience. I experienced things. That's how you learn in this world. You experience them. But him, he's never experienced any of this. Did he get cancer and then did he cure it himself by stop eating plants? Because that's how people did it. There's a lot of experienced people online. You can see them. They stopped eating plants. They ate red meat and water, and the cancer went away. And every other disturbance and whatever problem they had.
Via their genetic makeup could potentially be contributing to cancer development.
Their genetic makeup could possibly be contributing, but you don't know. Want to know why? Because you're a human. That's why possibly could be. Why would that possibly be contributing to it? Maybe it's the plant diet, and then the plant injection is contributing. Eh? Did you ever think about that? Plants cause that because they're toxic, dude. They're toxic.
Right, my name is Dr. Mikola Rashek of Neurogenomics.
They're toxic and they're filled with drugs called sugar, okay?
And let's get going with this. So,
man, what kind of doctor is this? Quack doctor. You know, these kind of videos are ridiculous. You should see the stuff that I see online sometimes. I really want to bring them up, but they're too lengthy to talk about. So I'm going to cut this one short too.
First of all, there's, like I always like in science papers, there's introduction, and introduction provides a really interesting.
Yeah. I bet you has a high subscribe count too, because there's so many dumb people out there in the world, man. They just want to listen to bullshit all day.
Of information, and in this paper, the author or authors, I can remember how many were involved.
You know, for somebody that's so intelligent, these people are so dumb. It's crazy. I just watched what was it? The Boys, you know, Highlander. Highlander. He came to visit this lab where they constructed him, and he did away with everybody in that lab, and he did some nasty things to these people before he did away with them. You want to know why? Because they don't know anything. That's why.
Introduced this doctor.
Yeah.
I think the name was something like Ute Kruger or something like that. And
oh man, this guy is just going on forever. You know, I know a doctor too. It's called Dr. Pepper. I know some people that drink it. That too causes cancer. Anyways, man, I gotta go. This is hilarious, bro. The solution to every disease. It's kind of simple. Do not partake in anything man-made, and you will not have any problems. But the moment you partake in man-made things, you're going to have problems the rest of your life. Okay, friend? So I'll see you in the next video. Ciao. I don't know what else to say. This ridiculous video, too. See you in the next one. Ciao, friends.